Hi there. In this video, we'll look at upgrading the controller firmware from version ME5.1.0.1.0 to later versions. Administrators may not be able to complete the firmware upgrade from this version as activation does not happen when partner firmware upgrade is enabled. First off, we'll navigate to the Dell support page at dell.com/support. to download the up-to-date controller firmware. From the support page, navigate to the search box and search for your service tag for the machine. From the overview page, select Drivers and Downloads. Drivers and Downloads will show you all the new available drivers for the service tag you have entered. Find and download the newest storage controller firmware. After you have downloaded the firmware upgrade, log in to the PowerVault Manager under Administrator Login to determine the current firmware version. From the home page, navigate to Maintenance, About, and then expand the General System Information section. Here you can see what firmware versions the controllers are currently using. If the current version installed is ME5.1.0.1.0, then to apply the upgrade successfully, first we need to disable Partner Firmware Upgrade. To do this, navigate to Settings, System, and then expand the Firmware Properties box. If the Partner Firmware Upgrade option is unchecked, then you can proceed as normal with a firmware upgrade. If the option is already checked, then uncheck the box and select Set Properties. We can now proceed to upgrade the firmware. To do this, select Maintenance and then Firmware and make sure the System option at the top is selected. The page should read Partner Firmware Update is disabled. Upload the downloaded firmware file here and select Upload File. Once the upload is complete, select Activate this version. Activating the firmware takes several minutes and the controller reboots to complete the update. Allow 2 or 3 minutes for the reboot to complete. Log into the controller when the reboot has completed and then re-enable the partner firmware update. The firmware update will now automatically apply to the partner controller. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.